Alright guys, got a big unboxing. So, well, big-ish, but definitely very expensive. Right, so we have, first, it looks like the Meilong 12x12. Next we have Meilong 10x10. Okay, let's see what else we have. I'll need the knife for that one. Okay, so this looks like the Shengshou 10x10? Or no, 11. Yes, this is the 11x11. Very small. Alright. Yes, 10x10. And so let's take these out of their boxes. I'll start with the Meilong 10x10. Some tape on there. Okay. Looks very nice. Very nice size, actually, compared to the quite a bit bigger than the Shengshou one. Oh, I can feel it moving already. Alright, let's first turn it. Oh, wow, okay. That feels nice right off the bat. Didn't catch, but that's okay. Looks like I'll have to be careful, just like the 11x11, so magnetization will probably really help this thing. But this thing is pretty darn smooth out of the box. Dry, but turns very easily. Fifth layer good, fourth layer better, third layer very good, second layer very good, first very good. The only thing that's a little stiff, but it's really even nothing, is the middle layer, but they all turn really well. For instance, oh my god, hold on. Nice. Okay, first impressions, that's really nice. Let's put that aside. Alright, we get the Meilong 12x12. The spider there. Bit bigger, but still looks like a nice size. Wow. Okay. Layers are very smooth, that's not a problem. Even the inner ones. So much so that I can do wide turns, which is pretty amazing. I cannot do that very well on the Shengshou one. By the way, this is the Shengshou 12x12. I probably could get, yeah, I can get away with it, but I never do it. I probably never do it in Solve anyway. However, this 12x12 right here is a bit catchy. It's hard to tell just turning it like that, but this one could be as well, I don't know. Obviously I have to get solving and scrambling. It seems like it might be, but it still turns very well. Yeah, it's a little bit catchy. But I'll do scrambles and solves of each of these things and give my full review later. Very nice so far. Let's do the 10x10 first. Okay, it's a Shengshou puzzle, so it's going to be a little greasy on the outside. Seems like it wants to move, though. This is a very, very small 10x10. Almost too small. I mean, look at my hands. This is actually too small, in my opinion. Outside layers are nice and big, though, so that's a plus. But the puzzle as a whole is really tiny. Almost hurts. I got big hands, though. This is turning really nicely, though. Seems like it turns nicely in 12x12, which is not a surprise since that's the same case with these two, and, you know, a couple layers up, it's going to get tougher to make better. And the cube is just a bit slippery. Okay, I can still do T-primes pretty well. Very nice puzzle. Just a bit small. The 12x12. Sorry, no. Sorry, 11x11. Excuse me. From Shengshou. More garbage. Let's wipe it first. And my hands are still a bit greasy. Doesn't really help with the grip of the puzzle, but... Oh yeah, that's nice. I really wish they would take away the pillow, though. It would be even better. Still on the small side for me. Which I will get used to. The size is... Oh. Okay, I can catch, and looks like those two pieces swapped. See if I can fix that right now. Alright. So... what the hell did I do? Okay. A little dumb right there. It seems like this, yeah, this one can catch a little bit. I'm actually surprised that the 10x10 feels a little bit better quality. Even though it's a little tighter. It feels like it's going to hold together better than the 11x11, which is weird. Maybe it just needs a little bit of tightening, I don't know, but... catching right there. I'm not overly impressed with this puzzle. Layers are a bit scratchy. still turns easily though. It's just between turns it's easy to catch. Kind of like the 12x12 is. That might go away a little bit, but I think that's going to somewhat stay. Still works very nice. However, I think I prefer my Meilong 11x11 right now, which is this one, the unsolved one. However, it is a bit smaller than the Meilong, but I think the this is really a perfect size, honestly. If this were smaller, I mean, if this were cubic, I'd really enjoy doing this one-handed because of the nice size. But it being pillow is going to make it really hard to one-hand. Yeah, I'm not going to be trying that. But this one is magnetized, and I know I had issues with solving this one with pops, catches, locks up, with whatever. Which is going to be the same for any big cube that's not magnetized yet, except for the exception of a few, like black version of this MoYu 15x15. Didn't really have any problems with that. This one does for some reason. However, it's much smoother turning, and I'm going to magnetize this soon. I really should have done this already, but things just get in the way. So, Shengshou 10x10, Shengshou 11x11, both pillowed. MoYu Meilong 10x10, very impressed. MoYu Meilong 12x12, still impressed. I'm more impressed with these than I am with these at first glance, at first turns. However, I will do a full review of all these at once or just each one very soon. So I'll probably magnetize these in the future as well. Definitely these Meilong ones I'm going to magnetize. But thanks for tuning in, and see you guys later. Bye.